God
damn, son. God damn.
So we got going today.
Open up the fucking tailgate. We got what?
Who do we have going today?
Who we have going today? We got our group. That should be. Who's in there? Oh,
Sours. Sours blower car is in that one. Chris Dealman, whenever he decides to show up, will get his car. Small block is not going.
We got Chip in the house tonight. He's out here scraping this damn intake. We fucked up yesterday, but we're fixing it now.
It's all fun.
Putting some LAT training fluid in this bad boy. Try to go out there to Streetcar Takeover, rip off the bumper. So we had a problem with this thing. We thought it was on the computer, that it would not come down. We thought it was something in the ECU, something fucked up. Well, we're fixing the intake leak. And me and Chip just noticed that. There's the rubber gasket literally holding the valve body open. Look at, oh shit, dude, you can see how many times it was hitting. Look at that, like 6 times, look at that.
Holy shit.
Wow.
What is that, dude? Probably. It's probably extra potent now. Oh, it smells like.
Wouldn't you? Moonshine?
Yeah, it was cold and it wasn't.
It is cold.
Is that a cigar at the bottom of it, dude? Oh! The fucking. You call me a hippie? It looks like a cigar with a fucking wrapper on it.
I mean, technically, no. I'm not.
Dude, who drinks that nasty shit? That's gross.
Fuckery. Oh yeah, you ever seen something big?
Wow, big time now, huh? Big time.
Just mobbing there.
Dude. Oh, what are we doing, dude? Look at all these clowns in the front. Jackasses.
Jackass.
Do your dance.
Your dance. Oh.
Oh, oh.
Those are fine. They're dirty as fuck. We're at the Freedom Factory. First time ever car show, party. Streetcar Takeover's here for the weekend. Their event starts tomorrow, so I believe this is a pre-party for Friday and Saturday's event. Got Antoine here. Got the hot rod. Got this bad no-go thing. Got the blower car of Mark Sorrows, one of the guys at ProFab. He's got his Streetcar out here. We're gonna be I think we're waiting for one more car. We're gonna be rolling up in there. About to show these people what it's all about.
There you go. Go ahead.
I know the camera's like, what are you talking about?
Yeah,
Like, that thing.
So
look up, stupid.
For the people can't see, there's about a 9-inch donger hanging off the tip of this thing, right above the spoon.
Look up, stupid. Look up,
And it sticks out further than the lens
$5
does.
all of them are like, that's my ceiling fan, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh god, I've got Savage rolling in. Look at his pants, dude. Love it.
Dude, those are sick.
Twisted.
What are those?
Hey, bro. Hey, go ahead, get that Oh, there's his helmet. This guy's having two-step. He's putting his helmet on.
Jesus. Oh my god.
That's footwork right there.
Oh! Shanghai Swirly Boys, that's right.
Turn the light. I'm guessing they're coming. Turn the lights off. Truck.
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, we're dead.
No, I turned them off just now.
We are filling the old Bertha up. Cars loaded in a trailer, golf carts in a trailer. dumping some money in the tow rig. I think Dalton's sleeping. No, he ain't sleeping. But oh god, filling up the old whipper. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, he's got the gap piece, brother. Nah, we are on our way home. We went over to BMP, watched some racing, watched Chris made a couple passes. All in all, the trailer, everything was working out great. So can't beat that. We don't have no airbags on this new truck, so this thing's towing like a dream. It's a Ford, what do you expect? But racing was good. The car show was good. We're gonna be dropping this thing off tomorrow morning to ProFab. We're gonna get the new intercooler wrapped up. We're gonna be at Streetcar Takeover on Saturday, running the no time class. I can't wait to put some power to this freaking thing and get out there and spank some people's asses. But I got to hang out with Cooper for a little bit today. Saw James, he about blew out my damn shoulder. Saw JH for a little bit. It's ridiculously cold. It's like 40 degrees out here today. And we were at BMP. Somebody oiled down the track in a freaking streetcar, go figure. And waited like an hour and a half just to watch a couple hits. But we got the new trailer decals on this thing. Those are the new logo stickers. If you guys are interested in purchasing, we're gonna have a website up here shortly. And got them on the back here. Got new t-shirts and stickers coming out. And it's got chocolate chip cookies.
It's cold. I'm tired.
It's freezing. We're all tired. Oh. Just had a
2
whip.
hours to get home.
2 hour drive home. Just got feeling the old truckaroonie. Whoa. Jesus.
Taking more than 3 times playing with it.
Taking more than 3 times playing with it. But we're on our way home, boys. It's cold. That'll do it for today's action before today's prep. Saturday's racing. Stay tuned.